Hello everybody, I'm Jonathan Bentley, and this is another ME 3023 technical tip video. This video will be covering accelerometers, so hopefully the information you learn from this video will make your lab work more smoothly and be more beneficial to you. Okay, this is your power supply for your accelerometer. There's a few different models floating around for each station of the lab, but they all pretty much have the same concept. You have your on-off switch, as well with a battery testing switch, where you just take and press that a little bit further, and that'll let you know whether your battery is okay or not. So this one, it's past the battery okay indicator, so the batteries will be strong enough to power it. You have a gain knob. You want it to be on the 1 position, because the 10 and the 100, they'll just multiply your output by either 10 or 100, and the acceleration we'll be measuring, that won't be necessary. Now the XDCR port, that's what you will hook up your accelerometer to, and then scope, that will go to your oscilloscope. These cables are very sensitive. You can see there's a little pin right in here, and if you just take and attach the cable by spinning the whole thing, you can shear this little pin on the inside of the cable, and we've lost the cable. Now these are anywhere from $20 to $40 depending on how long they are, so we prefer to not have them broken. So what you need to do whenever you go to attach the cable on each end is hold the actual cable and then just use your fingers to turn this little brass knurled barrel to attach it to whatever component. Once you turn on your power supply and get everything connected, whenever you start thumping the beam, you'll see the waves popping up on the oscilloscope. Now the easiest way to get a readable signal is just start repeatedly thumping your beam and hit auto set, and just keep thumping it while auto set is figuring it out. Try to keep your thumps consistent, if that makes sense. Okay, so now you see you have a magnified wave. Now it's just the seconds per division. Okay, we're getting there. Let's turn down the volts per division. Uh-oh, we're almost there. That looks pretty good. Okay, so now that you have a readable signal, now it's time to adjust the trigger. Okay, so you want to go in here to the trigger menu, select it, and you want to change the mode from auto to normal. Okay, so now this is going to be in the normal triggering mode. Once the level is achieved, it will start capturing the wave up to the end of the screen. So it's on channel 1, your slope is rising, your mode is normal. Okay, so now you want to start, thump it, and see it's capturing the smaller portions of the wave. You want the initial waves. So go through to your trigger level, and just, what I like to do is start high and then work your way down. And also you're going to move your horizontal position over here towards the left side. So you want to turn that knob until this pointer is towards the left end of your screen, just so you capture more of the wave. So start with your trigger level high, start thumping it. Okay, well that looks pretty good right there. So I mean, if you want to stick with that as your settings, you have plenty of waves captured where you can run through the decrement calculations and everything that you need to do for this lab. Okay, this concludes the ME 3023 technical tips video. Hopefully you learned something that will make your lab experience more beneficial and informative. Thank you for viewing.